The Downed UFO Drone.
One of the most compelling incidents involves the alleged downing of an unidentified drone-like craft, reportedly retrieved by U.S. authorities in a classified operation that, honestly, still remains heavily redacted in official documents. Eyewitness accounts from military personnel describe the object as metallic and disc-shaped, displaying advanced propulsion capabilities that far exceed any conventional technology currently possessed by human civilization. Official silence really surrounds crucial details of the incident, fueling widespread speculation about the craft's extraterrestrial origin and its intended surveillance purpose over sensitive military installations. Intelligence insiders suggest the recovered craft represents either experimental reverse-engineered technology developed from previous alien encounters, or possibly an active alien surveillance drone monitoring human military capabilities. Analysis teams argue that successful recovery provides, unprecedented access to cutting-edge materials, exotic propulsion systems, and non-human manufacturing techniques that could genuinely revolutionize human technology. The incident, in a way, symbolizes the broader struggle between government secrecy and public disclosure regarding technologies that appear to originate beyond human engineering capabilities. Classified programs continue studying the recovered materials while, of course, maintaining strict information control about their findings and implications.